A cryptocurrency is an encrypted data string that denotes a unit of currency. It is monitored and organized by a peer-to-peer network called a blockchain, which also serves as a secure ledger of transactions, for example, buying, selling, and transferring. Largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Price, $23,935. Market cap, $457 billion. 2. Ethereum, ETH. Price, $1,782. Market cap, $217 billion. 3. Tether, USDT. Price, $1. Market cap, $66 billion. 4. USD Coin, USDC. Price, $1. Market cap, $54 billion. 5. Binance Coin, BNB. Price, $327.18. Market cap, $53 billion. 6. XRP. Price, $0.3812. Market cap, $18 billion, formerly known as Ripple. 7. Cardano, ADA. Price, $0.5354. Market cap, $18 billion. 8. Binance USD, BUSD. Price, $1. Market cap, $18 billion. 9. Solana, SOL. Price, $42.49. Market cap, $15 billion. 10. Polkadot, DOT. Price, $9.28. Market cap, $10 billion. 11. Dogecoin, DOGE. Price, $0.07017. Market cap, $9 billion. 12. Avalanche, AVAX. Price, $28.68. Market cap, $8 billion. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.